How to install Gmail on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Gmail in your Windows PC. So let us get started. First, let us head over to our Microsoft Store to check out if Gmail is available. So simply go to the search bar and then search for Gmail. Now, after you search for Gmail, just wait for it to load and you will find out that there is no app such as Gmail in the Microsoft Store. So let me do that again. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, as you can see right here, there is no app such as Gmail. There is Mail, Easy Mail, Outlooks, and so much more, but no Google Mail, that is Gmail. So what we'll do here is turn this off, head over to our browser, and then open up our Gmail. Now, after you open up your Gmail, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, simply tap on the three dots on the top right, and then on the bottom, you will see Cast, Save, and Share option. Now, under there, you will see Install Page as App. So simply tap on Install Page as App and tap on Install. Now, as you can see right here, you have installed Gmail as your page. Now, if you go back here and go to your desktop, you'll notice that there is a Gmail app as well now. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.